I'm working with black thread so you can see how it goes. So I'm going to start slow and aim that it's always in the middle, the ditch of between two cords. Of course, when it's this tiny, it's a little trickier, but we are going to move forward fast and you're going to see how it works. And I'll stop in a second for you to see as well. So you're always working in the middle. Sometimes you're going to make a mistake and not grab both of them. Now it gets easier, see? So difficult part is over. Now it's all singing and dancing.
So as you're turning, you're pulling in the cord, right? And then you're
stitching
it to the circle that you had initially.
Yes, and I'm trying to keep it in the middle. Now, during the 3 days, I'm going to be working fast here so we can get things done. At home, you don't need to go fast. You can actually go very slow, and you're going to have more precise stitches that will not go. But I'm going to make a mistake in a second and show you one thing that you can do.
That looks pretty cool. I know it's just the beginning.
But it looks cool,
but
right? And it's black and white. Now, I just work with my cord on the floor. Like I said, I'm kind of clumsy and messy, and I'm fine with that. You can roll everything, put in a bowl. You can find other ways that works for you. For me, this way works fine.